What is up everybody, just Dhillon here, back here with another video. And in today's video, as I promised in my last video, I'll be doing a complete room tour of the current hotel that I'm staying at. I'm actually standing in the balcony of the hotel, so we'll be doing a complete room tour. We'll be checking out the swimming pool, we'll be checking out the gym, we'll be checking out the hot tub that this hotel has to offer. Okay guys, before we get on with this video, make sure to like this video. It's the button that's right below you guys. Subscribe to my channel. And now I've decided that moving on forward, I'll be choosing one of you guys. I'll be picking one of you guys to either shout out your YouTube channel name or your Instagram handle. So whoever likes this video and leaves a comment down below in the comment section that I've liked this video, I'll be choosing one of you guys in my next video to shout out either, as I said, your YouTube channel name or your Instagram handle. So now let's get on with that content. So हम ये टूर स्टार्ट करते हैं होटल के बाहर. This is the outside of the hotel. As I said, I'm staying at the Sandman Signature. It's really near downtown, and right behind me, right behind the hotel, there is actually a train track that goes back and forth. And there are two major train companies, railway companies here in Canada. One is CP and the other is CN. So Canadian Pacific and Canadian National. So Canadian Pacific is actually the railroad that goes behind this hotel. And now, as you guys can see right over there, that's the entrance of the hotel. Now let's go inside and see what kind of amenities this hotel has to offer. So now that we've seen the lobby of the hotel, which is, if you walk all the hallway, it's at the end. Now I really want to show you the swimming pool and the fitness center or gym, right? So let's go inside. And as with everything, you really need your hotel card to access all these kind of rooms or establishments. So now let's go inside. Okay guys, ये तो swimming pool हो गया. But in all honesty, I just always want to be honest with you guys. I don't use this swimming pool a lot. I just wanted to show you so you guys know what kind of amenities this hotel has to offer. The thing that I've been using out the most is the baby that you guys can see right behind me, the hot tub. So for the 5 or 6 days that I've been here already in this hotel, I might have used the hot tub 4 to 5 days in a row. And there's different kind of timers that you can set the hot tub for, or the spa that they call it here. As you guys can see, you can set it up for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 or 30. Usually what I've been doing is just been coming down, setting it up for 15 minutes. Now, right alongside the swimming pool, as you guys can see right over here, and the hot tub, we have the gym. Inside the gym, and let me show you around the gym. Honestly, this gym doesn't really have a lot to offer. The two treadmills that you guys can see right behind me, unfortunately these treadmills are out of order, so you guys cannot even come in the morning or evening and run a bit. But however, it does have, I'll show you what I use the most, is this machine to do some cardio, but as well as this machine, this bicycle, which I come either in the morning or evening just to do some cardio and increase that heart rate, as well as do some resistance training on this machine, which you can do some lat pull downs, you can do some leg exercises. So these are the machines that I use the most here in this gym, although it doesn't really have a lot to offer. Now let's go to the 5th floor, which is actually where my room is, and I'll show you around the room. So finally, we are inside the room. in the 5th floor. Let's start with this part of the room and we'll go around the room and inside there to see what kind of amenities or what kind of things I am using here. Okay, so here, this part, we all know it as kitchen, but here in Canada they call it kitchenette. Why? Because this particular room does not have a stove. It only has an electric range, as you guys can see here, to cook whatever stuff that you want to cook, right? So let's go around the kitchen. I'll show you guys what I'm using mostly here. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not cooking at home. Most of the meals I'm just eating outside, but I have some little stuff here and there to help me whenever I get bored from eating outside. I'll just come inside the house or inside the hotel in this case and make some of that stuff. So here we just have some bananas, some bottled water, obviously. I have some bread, which in the morning maybe I like to eat. I'll toast it and put some butter on top. We have some cornflakes. Just as I said, just some quick and easy stuff to make, so I don't really have to spend a lot of time cooking. We have some bagels, some bottled chickpeas and rajma here. Some rice, which up until now I have not even opened. It's still sealed. So obviously you guys, just from this you guys can see I mostly eat outside. But now let's see inside the fridge. What do I have inside my fridge in this hotel for a short little time that I'm here, and then after I'm going to Winnipeg. So let's see, what do we have? As I said, just quick and easy stuff. We have some milk. This is, I made pasta, guys, yesterday, so I have some pasta over there. We have some eggs, butter, cheese, and some ham to throw in with those sandwiches. So now that we've seen the kitchen area or the kitchenette that I was mentioning, this is the closet as you enter. I have a couple of jackets there, couple of shoes, as I'm not staying here for a very long time. I'll be going back to Winnipeg soon. So this is the couch, the TV, which I've never used up until now. And the best part of this hotel is what I'm going to show you right now. So are you guys ready? Let's get it. This is it, guys. So as you open, this is the balcony of the room, and look at these views. It is amazing. So as we leave the balcony and get back into the living room, now let's go and let me show you the room where I'm sleeping each and every night. And this is it. This is the master bedroom, and it has an attached washroom right over there. So this is it, guys. This is the king size bedroom that I have. It has both of the lamps there that you can turn off these spotlights and turn those lights on. And look at the views even again from my master bedroom right when I wake up. These are the kind of beauties that you enjoy in living in such a small town like Kamloops is, with 100,000 population, compared to Winnipeg, which almost has 1 million population. But obviously the weather here is better, and the social activities and the stuff that you can do outside work, it has a lot of variety. So now I'll show you the washroom of this particular hotel that I'm staying at, and then we'll put the camera down. We'll sit down and we'll discuss the numbers on how much this particular room is costing me on a nightly basis and what is the total amount that I'm paying for this. So one cool thing about this is you have one entrance, which is right from the master bedroom to the washroom. So this is one entrance, and you have another entrance which is from here, which is from the main entrance. So this kind of setup, it's called a Jack and Jill washroom. Usually a Jack and Jill washroom is between two bedrooms, so basically two bedrooms would share that one washroom. So here it's that one bedroom and the main entrance. So it's kind of the same concept, but you have access from the bedroom and from the main entrance. Now, let's put the camera down and let's talk about the cost of this particular room that I'm staying at. Now, let's get to the juicy part of this video, meaning a lot of you guys really want to know the numbers and how much is this room and how much is it costing me, right? So this room on a day-to-day basis, it's costing me $120. Why so much? Because it has a lot of amenities. Basically, I can cook in this video, not in this video. I can cook in this room. It has a master bedroom. It's on the 5th floor, meaning it has better views than it was in the 1st or 2nd or 3rd floor. So that's why it's costing me $120 each and every day. And for the 3 weeks, if you guys do the math, that's around $2,500 plus taxes. It's right around $3,000 for my whole stay. However, I'm not paying $3,000 because I have a lot of credit card points. I have premium member points from reward programs of these kind of hotel chains. So I'll definitely be talking about how to maximize those points and how you guys can do that for your different stays throughout the country and even in India. So stay tuned for that. But that was it, guys. So I'm paying $120 for this hotel each and every day, but obviously I'm not paying $3,000 in total because I have reward programs and I have points with my credit card. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like this video if you have not by now, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making these type of content each and every week. Other than that, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.